Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can add a signature to a PDF on your laptop. So I've just opened up a PDF right here and I need to go ahead and sign this. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go onto Google and you want to type Adobe PDF Sign and then search for that, and you'll see this eSign with ease. You just click onto that and this will load up the Adobe website where you can sign in. So you won't need to pay for this, but you will need to just get a free trial, and then you can sign the PDF and then you can cancel the free trial. Another alternative method is to just use Adobe Acrobat, and then what you can do right there, let me just scroll to the top, click on eSign, and now you can sign this PDF within Adobe Acrobat using eSign. So what you can do is fill and sign yourself. So get others to sign. So you just go through this tutorial and then you just load it up right here. Okay, for some reason it's not loading, but you'll see your signature right here. You'll be able to create a new signature and then you can insert it here. And then you'll be able to sign the PDF. So you can just type your name or whatever, or you can draw when you set it up. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.